How to fix turn off USB storage problem in WhatsApp. So if you want to fix turn off USB storage problem in your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to simply go ahead to your settings. You need to just scroll down and go to your system section, or you can also tap on about phone and tap on the MIUI version for at least 7 to 8 times, and your developer options will be turned on. Once your developer options is turned on, you need to just go back and search for developer options. Once you find the developer options, you need to tap on it, and there will be an option of USB debugging. If you don't find it right here, or if you're just struggling to find, you can also go with your search on your settings and then search for USB debugging. And as you can see that I have found my USB debugging option, right? So if this is turned on, in your case, you just need to simply turn it off. And for those who don't have this developer options, I've already shown you that you need to just either tap on your builder number or the instructions that I've shown you in this video. And once you tap on it, your developer options will be turned on. And then you'll find this USB debugging. Make sure that this is turned off. In this way, you'll be able to turn off your USB debugging or USB storage problem in your WhatsApp. Or if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you can also just tap and hold on to your WhatsApp, go with the app info. Under app info, go with storage and cache, and tap on clear cache, and your problem will be fixed. And the next thing you need to do is search for Play Store. And on your Play Store, if you have an update on your WhatsApp, so just simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.